Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Let's grab a pencil, draw a line so straight, making a rectangle, it's looking so great. We round the corners, nice and slow. This is the lid where the mirror will go. Now draw another box right underneath, matching the top like a little square wreath. We've got the top, we've got the base. Now let's get ready to draw a fun face. Up on the lid, let's draw a circle so high, and inside that circle, a shiny bright eye. Add a little tiny dot for a sparkle of light. Color it in so it's dark as the night. Now draw the other eye, exactly the same. Making cute faces is our favorite game. A little tiny smile, a curve like a U, and sweet rosy cheeks for me and for you. Now look at the bottom, what do we need? A little makeup brush, yes indeed. A long skinny stick right across the space, with fluffy little ends for a beautiful face. Below our brush, let's draw a square. One little makeup pan right over there. Now draw a second one right in a row, and a third one next to it. Look at them go! Let's add some magic, flutter and float. Draw a little heart like a lovely little note. Another little heart floating up in the air, and shiny little stars scattered everywhere. Sparkle, sparkle, shining, shining so bright. Our little makeup palette is a magical sight. Sparkles on the left, sparkles on the right, getting everything ready for the colors tonight. Now it's time to paint, oh what a thrill! Grab a pretty pink, let's color and paint the big case of beautiful hue. Then grab a peach color and some purple too. Painting inside the little makeup pans, the prettiest colors in all the lands. Color in the brush, color hearts in red. soft